if you guys can hear me, but we just got the wastegate dump welded to the downpipe. I'm just gonna go back to my boy's shop, and we're gonna wrap the headers, the downpipe, everything. We're gonna wrap it with the heat wrap so it can reduce the heat in the engine bay. For now, I guess just enjoy the freaking sound. The one thing I like about it so far that it's welded together is that you don't smell the exhaust fumes coming out the wastegate. That's the plus. Well, you don't smell it as much. It's like a little hint of it. That's it. Back then it was a whole bunch of burning of like burnt, smelling of burnt or whatever. Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're driving around the car so we can get it up to temp, which is already up to temp right now. We're gonna wrap it with the heat wrap, the headers, and we're gonna test the difference between without the wrap and with the wrap. How high it gets, how much it cools it down with this bad boy. So we're gonna drive. After we drive a little, we're gonna go back to the garage and we're gonna use this to see how hot is it right now. Take off the headers, wrap it, and do the same thing again. So I'll meet you at the shop.
We got too much torque.
Alright, so we just got back. We're gonna see how hot this bad boy is. And we're gonna do it again after we heat wrap it to see if it makes a big difference. Wait, the hood, let's see what it goes at. The hood is at 103. That's the hood. Alright, the headers, I'm pointing at the first one over there. 267. The second one, 252. Hold up. That's the third one. God damn. That fourth one is 327. The downpipe, pretty close. I'm gonna check over here real quick too on this. So we got our numbers. Now we're gonna turn it off, wrap it, and so on and so forth. Alright, so I got this bad boy from eBay. We're gonna see if this shit does what it says. It says
You say 50.
it said
You say 50. What do you say, Fred?
wait. Before we talk.
How much temperature wise?
It says, hold on, let me point it at you. Ready? It says on eBay that Ezekiel puts it down 50% off.
On eBay.
On eBay? Yeah, but it comes with this, the heat wrap, a little bit of metal zip ties, and a paper. There you go.
We're gonna leave oil, right?
So we're gonna see if this shit actually works good or not. If it does, if it does work good, I'll put the link in the description. Heaven can't resist but help me through it.
Right here, right?
Can't resist but help, Ella. Yeah! Oh, it's not hot, Kevin. No.
I don't have that.
Oh, I have them in my SUV. man. Your toolbox is jam-packed, but how don't you have Allen keys?
I don't have fucking tools, my nigga.
What's this?
That's not tools, it's basic shit. And I'm missing a lot of my sockets.
I forgot to mention, we also have some of this cool tape. Alright? Supposed to put down the temperature around whatever you put this on. We'll put it on the AC lines and right here on the intercooler piping. And maybe some other little places. But yeah, let's see if this works too. Alright guys, he finally took out the downpipe and the wastegate dump connected to each other. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the heat wrap in water, and I'm gonna start wrapping this while he starts taking off the headers, the turbo headers, same shit. You got extra gloves?
You're gonna want to put rubber gloves on.
I know. You got gloves right now?
Do that right now.
Alright, I got the water. Oh shit, I'm about to fall. I got the water, put on some gloves. The boy said to because supposedly that shit itches a lot. Take this bad boy and just throw it in the Wawa. Hold up, what the freak? Let me unwrap it. Alright boys, look, it's soaking right there. They said to let it soak for a little. After that, I'm gonna take it out from there, from the bucket, and start wrapping that bad boy. Boom. So give me like 5 minutes and I'll start recording again. Alright fellas, I'm back. I'm about to start wrapping this to the downpipe and the wastegate dump. Yo! Falta de respeto. I'll give you something better.
Hey.
Anyways, I'm gonna start wrapping it. I'm gonna put you guys on that box and try to get the most I can. Alright guys, so the header is done already. He's bolting it back up. And so is the downpipe over here. Not the greatest job, but as long as it works, I'm fine with it.
Toto coño.
We also put the heat tape that I told you right here on the AC lines and a couple other places. I'll show you when it's turned on. I mean, I'll start recording when we turn it on again because you don't want to see all this bull crap. Alright fellas, where were we? He basically put everything back together. The Terpsky, headers, downpipe, wastegate, everything. Alright, so we're gonna fire it up, see what happens, see if it blows up. Remember me boys. Oh, check the oil real quick, just dip it in, dip it back out. Does it have oil? Survey says. Brrr, nuevo, baby.
Damn, on the dot.
Shit. I know this shit is gonna be smoking like crazy because it got water on it. Yeah, here, they're already recording.
Dara, si se explota, I'm not responsible.
Everything was clean, right? Yes, Got a light. Alright, so check it out. Yeah, it's smoking because the freaking wrap. Let me make sure it's that. Alright. Let that stop burning so that I can dry this. I'm gonna do the temperature check tomorrow with the gun. It's gonna be in the same video, but it's already dark right now, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna let this cook up. I don't know if you can see the smoke. I'm gonna let it cook up. After that, I'm just gonna go the next day, drive around a couple minutes, and check the temperature. See if it made a difference. All right. It's the next day. Oh, let me. And my bird hated on me. Is it? You can even see it on there. Wait, because right there, the doo-doo. Well, it's the next day. I'm gonna go to my friend's garage. I'm gonna drive it a little, get it up to temp, then see if anything changed, to see if the heat went down. I don't think it did, but we'll see. I'm gonna put the GoPro on right now, up there. Like, you can see it? Yeah, I'm gonna put the GoPro, and I'm gonna drive over there, get a little bit of footage. Sorry if you guys can't see that much with my hair. But oh well. If you hear some rattling, that's just the exhaust. It's loose down there. Let's see these temps. Alright, let's see this bad boy. Fans are crazy. Let's see. Bro, this shit looks the same. 300, 400 something. I think it made it worse. Alright, so I'm here editing this video, and I was doing research. I looked up why the temperatures went higher. Well, yeah, I researched why the temperatures go higher when you use the heat wrap. So it makes sense what I found. They said that the reason why it goes higher, the temperature, is because you're restricting the air, the heat, to go anywhere else. It's just gonna be focused on whatever you wrap. So the temperatures do get higher on whatever you wrap, but it reduces the heat in the engine bay. It makes sense. So I didn't know that when I was recording this part right here after we wrapped it and got it up to temp the car. So basically what they said on the forums that I seen, they said the higher the temp is, the more it restricted the air, the heat, to go anywhere else. It was feeling colder in the engine bay, I'm not gonna lie. Just whatever we wrapped was hotter by like 100 degrees more or 50 degrees more. So technically, it did reduce the heat in the engine bay. So it worked, but yeah, it's the end of the video. If you wanna see more of these videos, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Deuces.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.